Before you walk past those mirrors at Ballatry, let me show you how 2 simple octagon mirrors and 4 wooden dowels turned into one of the most magical Christmas pieces I've ever made. And trust me, the ending is pure winter magic. Today I'm creating something elegant, festive, and honestly, a little breathtaking. For this project, I'm using 2 octagon-shaped mirrors and 4 wooden dowels. I already painted the dowels white. I did that part off camera. And luckily, the mirror frames were already white, so I didn't have to touch those. I started as usual, removing the plastic from the mirror frame. And listen, if you've ever removed the plastic from one of these mirrors, then you know. I was fighting for my life, trying to get it off. But eventually, I won that battle. Once the frame was free, it was time to begin the build. I grabbed my glue gun and started applying glue onto the dowels. I placed each one in the 4 corners of the first mirror, doing my best to make sure they were evenly spaced. This part always feels like building the foundation of a house. If the base is steady, everything else comes together beautifully. After securing all 4 dowels, I added glue to the tops of them and gently placed the second mirror right over them. And just like that, the structure came alive. 2 mirrors, one floating above the other. Simple, clean, elegant. Now, here's where the magic begins. The decorating. On the bottom mirror, I added tiny reindeers, each one looking outward like they were standing watch. Then, I placed small Christmas trees beside them to bring that cozy winter forest feeling. Even at this stage, it was already looking beautiful. But I wasn't done. For the top mirror, I wrapped icicle lights carefully around the edge, letting them hang down like melting frozen icicles. And when the lights turned on, it created the softest winter glow. Next, I added a piece of foam on top. I don't even know the exact name for it, but it worked perfectly as my decorating base. Sometimes the best materials are the ones you just improvise with. Then came the florals. I added deep red poinsettias, some gold leaf trimmings hanging down, a few pine picks tucked in for texture, and suddenly the whole piece felt rich, expensive, festive, like something straight out of a Christmas display window. Finally, I added my candles, and that's when the whole project transformed. The warm light mixed with the icicles, the mirrors, the gold, the red. Wow! I actually stepped back and said to myself, this looks so good. And for the finishing touch, I sprinkled some snowflake glitter across the lower mirror where the trees and reindeers were. It looked like fresh snow had just fallen gently over the scene. Sometimes a small sprinkle changes everything. Standing there looking at it, I felt so proud because this whole decor piece was made with a few simple items but so much heart. That's the beauty of DIY. You take ordinary things and turn them into something magical. And today, that magic showed up for real. If you enjoyed this cozy little creation, give this video a like and share it with someone who loves Christmas crafts. And if you're new here, welcome to Sanikii DIY, where ordinary things become beautiful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.